Hello friends. In this video we will show you Microsoft Office 2019 full setup plus installation, for both 64 and 32-bit computers. Before that, please subscribe the channel. Let's start the video. From description, download the file, and extract it. Make sure you connected to internet because installation required internet connection. Now, run the setup. Select softwares which you want to install. After that, click on Install Office. Now wait, it take long time. Make sure internet connected. Click on Close. Now, go to Utilities tab, and click on Office Retail. Now wait, until process finish. Now click on Activate Office. Done. Let's test it.
Here you see,
It working good. Thanks for your time.